the problems that we have around us in society. With mathematics, it gives us hope because in math, every problem has a solution.
It's an honor to stand before such a talented and motivated group of young minds who have come together to challenge themselves and celebrate the beauty of mathematics. Today, students, participants, teachers, education officers in our midst, you are not just participants in a competition, you are problem solvers, critical thinkers, and explorers of the incredible world of mathematics. Each of you has worked hard to get here today, and this is your chance to shine, to push your limits, and to show what you're capable of.
Let me, on behalf of the Honorable Minister, the PALSEC, the PS and the Chief, commend COMDO and by extension the Mathematics Department for hosting yet another successful Mathematics Month. And then we are culminating this month with this competition. We will not spend another 2 to 3 years and come back here and say the same thing. There will be an intervention, and I know the mathematics unit, they have been doing that, but they needed the support in the past to actually put in place that intervention. Now we have the maths coaches in every district. I will be on your back like a hawk. Math can help students understand the world better and make connections to other fields.
It is with immense pleasure that I bring you this message at the commencement of the second year of the National Mathematics Competition. Hodder Education is particularly proud to sponsor this mathematics competition as it is the publisher of the Caribbean Primary Mathematics as well as the Problem Solving in Mathematics series. Both texts play a significant role in the preparation of students for this event. Students will walk away with prizes totaling over $8,000 EC dollars, with a breakdown of 5,000 EC in electronic devices and awards. Each participating student will receive a gift bag containing Hodder Education textbooks, which they will be able to use in grade 6. So students, your parents won't have to buy these books for you in grade 6. General Science, Mathematics, Social Studies, and Language Arts. These books altogether will total EC $2,590. The winning school will receive 1 year online subscription to Hodder Education Special Needs Assessment Profile,